How to verify your age for starting chatting in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can verify your age in Roblox. So as you know, in order to chat, you need to verify your age in Roblox, and let me show you how you can do this. So the first thing that you can do is simply click onto this more option right here, and then click onto the setting option. Now from here, you can click onto this privacy and content restrictions, and within this particular page, you can click onto communications. Now within communication, click onto this experience chat. And from here, you can see this that the experience chat is currently turned off. And in order to turn it off, you will require an age check. So click onto this on option and it will give you this prompt that says we need to check your age to update your experience chat setting, complete an age check. Click onto this continue option, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will need to type in your code or any particular OTP that you will receive from the Roblox or any authenticator app. So let me quickly type in my temporary password that I have received, and then I will click onto this verify button. Now, after clicking onto this verify button, it will determine whether I am the correct identity or not, and then this says let's use the camera to do an age check. We use the camera only for this check. We delete your image, and once you're ready, you can click onto this continue option, and then it will open the camera and you will need to show your face. If you wish to continue it on another device, you can click onto this continue on another device, and once the photo is captured, you will be successfully able to proceed further. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.